Hey everybody, it's Bryan with Abound Web Design here with another Squarespace tutorial for you. Today we're going to be talking about something that I had a client recently ask me about, which was adding an image to the background of their header. And so I had done this before, and so I had to do a little research, but I found a way to make this happen, and I want to share that with you today. So let's head over my screen and I'll show you step by step how to do that. Okay, so we're going to use my demo website for this example. And first thing you want to do here on website, you're going to go to into pages, and then you're going to scroll down into and go to website tools, and then custom CSS. And get this out of the way. All right. And so you're going to, the first thing you're going to want to do is the background image that you have, you're going to want to upload it to your custom files here. So you're going to click on custom files there, and then click the plus on add images or fonts. And then you're going to select the image. And I have an image that kind of goes with the aesthetic of this demo website here that I've found on Adobe. And so I've got that added, and then I'm going to paste in this CSS that I will have in the description of this video. And so you have all this information here, and you'll notice here you have the header, the background image URL, and then it says your image URL right here. So you're going to, with your cursor there, you're going to select your image URL and then backspace. And you'll notice whenever you backspace, it automatically replaces your image URL with the image URL. If it does not do this, you may have to click in here and then click on the demo background image there. So like if it wasn't there for me, I'll go ahead and get rid of it for you if it will let me. It does not want to let that go. Anyhow, you would just click on custom files here and then click the image, and it will put the URL for that image in that space for you. Now, one thing, as you'll notice here, this, because it's 300px, so like if I was to, you can mess around with the height here of this. And so like if it was just a 100, you'll see that most of it there is not noticeable. So like let's say if it was just 80. All right, so it's gone from there. It looks like it is anyway. But one thing you can do, let's save this, and then let's go into edit, and then we'll edit the site header, and then edit the design. And let me move me out of the way here. And so then you're going to go into color. You have design and color. You're going to go into color, and then you'll notice here the opacity, the background color is white and the opacity is set to 100%. And if I take that all the way down, then you can see the background image there. And so now that that's set, I can save that, exit, and then go back into this CSS here. And now I can change the height of this background image to whatever I need it to be. So you saw it was on 300 to begin with. That might be a little bit tall, probably is. So let's just, and I'll do this in the CSS that I put in the video description. We'll just leave it on 150 and save. And then you can see what it looks like. Voila. That's all there is to it. If you found this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials like this one. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.